Welcome back to Get Updated Now, everyone. And here we are at Precision Tune Auto Care. So, this is a service station for cars, and it is a very well known one. It has many branches like everywhere around the world. So, this is like a chain of car service stations. So this is our car, and then it's here for a short inspection now, and then we'll get it back for a complete service. So it's here, and then they're gonna have a look at it. So this one is gonna be just a short one, but later is gonna take more time. So here it is now for the complete checkup. Complete service, I should say. You can see that the engine is open now and the spark plugs have been removed. He's checking the brake oil, which looks fine, so we don't have to change the brake oil, as we changed it for like maybe 8,000 kilometers back. So they do a detailed like inspection for your car, like each and everything, which is very important. So here you see, now they're gonna drain the engine oil first. So they will remove the oil filter, but first the oil should be drained. So you look at the condition of the oil. I mean, this turns black. It means we have used it enough, right? So I'm playing it in a fast mode because this would have taken longer. Now here goes the oil, and now he'll try to remove the oil filter to replace it with a new one. Here it goes. Here is the oil filter. The old one is out, and now the new one will come. Now he's inspecting on the air pressure. So everything, like from your battery to your air pressure, and everything is checked thoroughly. Now you see, this will move to the other part. So first he will check everything, like the tires with a torch, everything. I mean, if there's something that looks not good, they will tell us immediately. Now this is the new oil filter, which will be fixed. They have all genuine products available there, all the genuine parts also. So this is kind of fixed now, the new oil filter. Now here goes the other part. Can you guess like which oil is coming out? Like what oil is this now? So this is our gear oil, and this changes only after 1 lakh kilometers. So here are the things that they are going to replace, like all the oils and necessary things. And then we'll show you what was done and how it looks like later. So this is after the service. You see how clear it is. They have fixed the cover for the engine, and they've changed the spark plugs. Everything looks good. coolant was not required either. It was there, so they added just a little bit. So here the car is ready, and we'll show you the things that were done. So a quick view of the job card. So this is the job card, and here are the things that were done. I'm sorry, the video is other way around, but and I didn't fix it. But you know, this is just for a quick briefing.